a video on giving myself another job to do. So locally, we had some poppies growing in a flower bed, like a council flower bed, and there was loads of poppies in it. And before I could go and collect the poppies seeds, they kind of dug them up. And I kind of thought I'd missed my opportunity. And when I was out walking, I couldn't find any wild poppies when I was out. But one of my neighbours had some poppies in her garden, and I asked nicely, and she's allowed me to collect all the poppy heads. And I also chopped a bit of ivy back for her while I was collecting them, so you know, it's kind of everyone benefits from that. So they dried out, and I was slightly worried as well that all the seeds would have dusted out of them already, because what happens with these poppy seeds is the seed sacs are in there, and as the wind blows like that, it shakes the seeds out everywhere. So we can put into that, and we'll have a look. I've got a knife that isn't covered with something else. That one will do. Oh no. But anyway, so what you do, as they dry out, you just collect them and then wait until they're completely dried, and then you just shake the seeds out of them into a bag, which I have done. Which I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with these seeds yet, but there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. For not that many seed heads, you get a lot of seeds. So we'll get rid of all that debris, and then we'll bake the seeds into a cake or something like that, or we'll put them in a bread and we'll go and see what happens. Because obviously I don't like the poppy seeds that you buy are a lot bigger than that. So I'm not entirely sure why. It's probably there's a spider in there. We'll let that outside. So we'll cut into this, and then hopefully we'll be able to kind of show you what happens. Yeah. So all the seeds are collected in these like veins here, so all the seeds are in there, and then as it dries, these little things here just peel back from the top of the flower. The flowers, that part, so it peels back. Well, the petals are kind of attached there, so these peel back and then allow the seeds to pop out when it shakes. So all you have to really do is put the poppy heads, cut them off gently, not to move them around too much, then stick them in the bag, shake them around, and then all the seeds come out. So I'm going to use it in some baking, but I thought I'd make this a little bit of a video first. You need to be quick, and probably by the time I do something with these, it'll probably be a little bit too late. But like a job for next year, maybe, and then we can, you know, in plenty of time, you can prepare yourself and get some free poppy seeds. Shall we taste them? Yes, let's taste them. Don't really taste of poppy seeds in the way that poppy seeds taste. It's probably because they're wild. It's probably a different strain that you kind of buy in the shops. But anyway, do something with them. At the very least, they'll do something and they'll look pretty on something. Or we'll make a poppy cake or something like that. So these are the poppy seeds. There's loads of them. Considering there wasn't that many plants, there's like loads of them. There's a little bit of debris in there, but that'll just get picked out. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. Not sure what I'm going to do with them, but now's the time to pick them. You'll have to be fast though, because the weather's going to turn soon, and as soon as the wind starts to pick up and these poppy heads are dry, all the seeds will want to come out of them. So if you're going to use them, you need to be quick. Let's just have a retaste. They've got an earthy flavour to them, if that kind of makes sense. And don't taste like the poppy seeds that you buy. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I just didn't want to waste the opportunity. So we might turn them into like a poppy seed cake or something like that, or use them on top of bread. But there we go. If you want to collect your own, now's the time to do it.